me, I'm gonna get up behind me, though. Please, girl. Without each other, this look on our face, like,
Yeah.
crazy, right? Take it easy.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man, so things are get kind of dicey now. Yeah, man, things really are get dicey, you see me? Right now, okay, we're in woman things. So we're here to purchase toilets, vanity, stuff like that, you know? Alright, so so we're looking at the different options, alright? Different vanity when them have. So like this, 112. It comes with this. Alright. That. Now this one. Alright. Comes with this. Alright. This one. This is really nice. I like this. And the price is pretty good as well. The price not bad. Alright. We already have our shower, so we don't need shower enclosures. But the prices for these, the price on this one, 35. Quite affordable. You know? So it's
35?
yeah, price pretty good. So if you have a big enough bathroom that
This is a 3x3.
yeah, but I mean, our bathroom is around 4 feet, so we don't have the space to go to the side. That's the thing.
4 feet in out.
To the yeah. But we already have our enclosure, so we're good with that. These, not gonna lie, woman things have some really nice prices when it come on to them kind of stuff. And this one's pretty good too. Right. Yeah, this one is pretty good as well. Right. Yeah. It's a huge vanity right here. It's on her. Nice, see? So just know, say, so when your taste up there, when you want big vanity, just know, say, the price are up there too. You know? Yeah, man. Oh, that's right there. Yeah. That's right there. So 85.
Oh, and this one is I guess it all depends on the type of counter that is there, like the countertop.
Yeah.
That goes along with the vanities. That really makes a difference. But I really like that one. We came here with the intention to get a different one actually.
Yeah.
And we saw that one instead and I really like it. So.
But you know, baby, see the fact say we're going with this 24-inch white one?
Yeah.
I think the other white one will work. So at least the 2-bathroom uniform.
Yeah, but obviously we were getting the two that are white, but the countertops will be slightly different. So.
Oh, one is glass versus one. I mean, I think that matter much, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that matter much. Yeah. Got all of these here as well. Down the flank, yes sir. Yeah. We got all of these. Going down here. Just show me this. I tell them I don't like the style. It look old fashioned to me. I don't like
no,
it.
let me tell you, Adrian always say, I can't like things until I see the price. So. Oh, yeah. At the price me like, so you can't be, you know. I use every time most like the price.
But I like the price, and then after now you look for the other characteristics. Price is not the only thing.
That's what I always say.
Price is not the only thing, but you start at least, you can say probably start at price, you know? But show them the toilet we think we're going with. So we got toilets. We're looking for toilets as well.
Yes, so at first I think we saw this one. And then we saw this one. I like this one. So this is the one that I ideally wanted. I want a straight down cut. You want to guess why I want a straight down cut? You can tell them, Adrian?
I don't know.
Because these men be peeing on the side of the toilet.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Also they say I don't know how to use the toilet.
So,
But this one the price of body no.
no.
And it come with ball wax too.
Exactly, and it goes all the way down. I want the straight flush.
Yeah.
I think it looks nicer, first of all.
Yeah. For me,
And-
that's the main thing for you. Alright, for
Yeah.
me, alright, a comfort height.
Yes.
Plus it elongated.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So it have a more modern design. You get me I say?
Mm-hmm.
And I like how it's shaped. So
One
we'll work with
downfall,
it.
I wish it had this. I wish
Oh
it had
yeah.
this instead of this, but because I'm
Yeah.
getting this and it's comfort height and it's elongated, I'm getting everything else. So I'll leave that.
Mm-hmm.
I'll leave that. We need a lighting fixture for one of the bathrooms.
Yeah.
So we can try and get that as well. We were thinking to get mirrors, but 2 vanities already come with a mirror. But the second vanity, the 24-inch one,
Yeah.
I think we might need to do something for it because the mirror is very plain.
Which one? Oh, that one.
But we'll think about it because we already have our own mirror, so probably we can just
But we already have the
put
light
the
too.
round mirror.
We already have the light as well. The bar light.
And we have our own mirror, the gold round mirror at the bought yesterday.
No, we don't necessarily have to put that in our bathroom, babe. That can go out in the living room somewhere or so. We're gonna show you as well. Cass mentioned that, so we got a few decor items.
Yeah.
Course should have some sale, so we get some decor items. We're gonna pick them up because the time to get really late yesterday.
We are the kings and queens of sale. We
Yeah,
go
man.
bargain hunting hard.
Yeah, man, for real, for real.
No, we're not rich, so we have to go bargain hunting.
By the way, tell them what happening today here. What on today?
Okay, so we were invited to participate in this sale event. It's basically they're having a sale, 50% off for selected items and for selected persons. They want those selected persons, right.
Yeah, man, big up.
Big
Yeah,
up.
so woman things they basically selected us to come purchase few stuff. You know?
I mean, we've been buying here for the whole of this construction journey, so I guess, you know, we appreciate the invitation. We appreciate it, you know?
Yeah,
We have
man.
spent enough money.
Exactly. So, yeah. We can get a few stuff 50% off. We appreciate it. Oh, the under-mount sink. Let us see, because we need under-mount sink as well, you know. For the kitchen, yeah, man. So we can probably even try to buy the sink too.
No, they're all over.
Yeah, they may look like a Sunday regular style them. See the sink them there? Oh, no under-mount sink. Oh, they don't have any under-mount sink. Yeah. See them there? Yeah, so we look at thing them. Hey, we gone fast, you know, I'm not lie.
I can't wait to be finished. Honestly, I'm at my wit's end. It's pressuring, it's stressing, and the packet and everything just dropped to the listen.
man.
We need to know.
Yeah.
That's how I feel.
We really, what's on there? We hope to start hosting in November. You get me? We hope to start hosting in November.
Pretty
A whole
nice.
heap of work go on already.
Yeah.
You get me? I say the driveway complete. Electrical work almost done. I just the electrician them kind of move like a slow because them have a job and stuff like that. And we have some hiccups too with the electrical work and thing, but we are work through it. The tiling almost done. So we are going.
I'm excited about the bathroom.
You know the doors.
The doors are basically, and everything is like almost done, but that's not
Yeah,
fully done yet,
yeah.
which is kind of annoying to me.
Yeah.
Because we just want to start strike things off my list, and I can't strike them all off because they're not done.
Yeah.
You know, so but we just have open fingers crossed that everything will be done, and that our pocket can manage. When you
Yeah.
can lend me some money, lend me some money.
Jesus. So we got somebody that's making the door jambs for us and the front door, so we need to buy a back door. Oh, what if we can buy a door here and we get the discount too? We can look and see them have door. Them have door upstairs. Make us go look. Alright, we can probably see if we can get a back door.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so so final thing is, what's the decision? So we tell them what go on. Alright, so I think we're gonna go with this one for one of the bathroom. Right? This one
Yeah.
and this one for the other bathroom. So the main, like the ensuite bathroom, I'm gonna get this, and then the main bathroom, I'm gonna get this. So I'm gonna go with the 24 based on how the bathroom set up. We can't really go with a bigger vanity than this based on the space limitation. Alright, and this one now we can go a little bigger with that bathroom. So we'll work with that one here. We love it and it's nice.
We're getting the shelves.
Yeah, that shelf, like a floating shelf are really nice.
And we're getting this with the frame. I love the frame around it.
Yeah.
I wish I had a frame around that one.
It's nice, man. This really nice. I like this.
Yeah, I do like it.
Alright, so we can go look on the door them.
Yes.
So they got plenty of lighting fixtures as well. You know? So yeah, so we can get one for one of the bathroom. Yeah, yeah. Yeah man, no problem. So you know try to get one. They have some cheaper ones in $1,000 at the other branch. The other branch would have some really cheap ones. This looks like the one we have what we get from Duns though. How much feet? Them cheaper yes, you know?
Yeah. Oh, see the one they purchased.
Oh,
We're
this,
looking for
yeah.
a light for the bathroom.
Oh, they have a portion behind here so too.
Yeah. So how much of them you say we need? Only one? You say?
Just one for the other bathroom. Yeah. I don't know, but I would love it for the black though.
Yeah, like fully glass. That would have been more ideal.
Mm-hmm.
My thing is that
Look at this. What do you think about this? What do you think about
I
this?
like this better than the one down there, so than the first one. Yeah, so either this or that one. So either that or this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How much for that again?
These are $3,199.
And this is roughly the same price. No, this is slightly cheaper than one there. And I think that match the bathroom. This one match the room like them
Yeah,
better.
it does. It was
We can probably work with that then.
Yeah, let's work with that one. So we're gonna go with that one
For the bathroom.
for the bathroom.
Yeah, alright, so let's look at the doors.
Oh, look at this one. This one is 1499. That one there. What do you think about?
Oh. Well, look at the drinks buckle, man. Jesus.
Yeah, inverted drinks buckle.
God. I don't know, sir.
I do like this though. I like this. I like the design for it. $6,000.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the more price is. We're not going there right now.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm not sure about that one there at all.
Oh, the drink one?
I'm not like a mason jar. And an outdoor something, you know. An outdoor lantern. Alright, so upstairs to the doors.
To the doors. To the doors. Paint it with what? Where do you use and paint it?
You have the varnish, the bush varnish or the stain that you can use. You have the marine one that you can withhold the water.
Marine paint?
Marine varnish spot.
Oh.
I'm not seeing a size one, but they look like a 36.
That one is 36.
I like that one there though. Let me see the other one then.
You wouldn't even bother painting it, you know. Look at all this. 53.
53. Why is it 53? Because the mirror longer in it. So Adrian got the tape measure, so measure it.
No, this is 36.
At 36 that man, but the one behind it here, I talked to the lady about you know. That one there.
36 is
36.
Me no, you know, man. From me look for this, me say 36. A 36 is.
Yeah.
But more than buy this, you know.
Yeah, I would. I like that one
More
there.
than buy this.
I like that one there. So look at you find a door. Yeah.
But, yeah.
We
A
bought the
36.
door.
Look here. A 36. The more than I mentioned, look, a 3 feet. So either the quarter or something. See that? 3 feet. Yeah.
And the first one that you touch.
There are one of 36.
Guys, we think we would take this one.
Yeah.
That one there.
The size upon the one here still.
Yeah, the size
31.
upon that.
21,000.
Have a little glass in the middle. And so forth.
So you're not going to necessarily see straight in because there's a wall, right? So when you go look, you have to turn a corner. So
Yeah.
I like it straight in the house.
Yeah. Okay, but there's an advantage to this one, because this one is the oval shape, but it is frosted at the same time. So that is good too, that this one is frosted. Hi guys. Kyrie, come here, babe.
Kyrie.
Kyrie.
Oh, jeez, I feel him storing him, take a gun. You have to run him down.
Yeah, that's what he likes to do. Yeah, so we actually got a lot of stuff.
Of course, yeah, man.
We got a lot of stuff. It was actually pretty good, actually. I don't think we realized that do we know that they were having a sale when we went in the first place?
No, we never know.
We didn't know. So we actually just, I was pressuring Adrian to carry me to a particular store.
Hello.
And he carried me.
Yes.
He carried me. And when we went, they were actually having a sale. So we're like, oh my God. So at that particular core store that we went to, we got a fridge. So we decided that we we're going to come to another core store and see if we can get a TV and a stove. So we got a fridge, a TV, and a stove in a core sale. What better time to buy it than when they're having a sale? We love we some discounts, alright?
So we gotta show you we came to pick them up, so
Yeah.
well, some of the stuff. I'll pick up some of the stuff, so
We got some accessories for the house as well. So while we were here, we realized that they were having 30% off accessories, and we decided to, look around to see what we can capitalize on. So we actually got some stuff, and we're here to pick it up today. One piece of something, it's right there yesterday. Like Carrie was running all up and down the people them store. Me and Agent Afia run behind him. It was crazy. Okay? It was crazy. That's Carrie. So these are actually our stuff. Kyrie, be careful. We found this, okay? So let's looking at it. See that this is our stuff. We got that little tripod thingy. So yeah, this is some of our stuff that we got yesterday. Right? That we got yesterday.
Yeah.
See it?
We got this big
On
wall
Kyrie,
art,
gone five friend.
and this, and a couple of other stuff.
Yeah, so we're actually very excited about that. Came in perfect timing too, because we really need to get some of these stuff. So it really came in perfect when it was like godsend, because we went.
Lift up the camera. Yeah, look.
It was like godsend because we got what, 30% off some items. I think we get 20% off the fridge, and we get other discount off the other item that we got. So it was really nice. If you never did test us here, but you can look out for others, alright? Because this is definitely the sale season.
True. Yes,
This
Kyrie?
is the sale season.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna come. Carrie thinks it's a pretty, Guys, this week has been so, I don't want to say stressful, but yeah, that's a good word. Stressful for me and Adrian. Right, Adrian?
Yeah, man.
This week has been so stressful because we've been doing a lot. As you guys would have seen, we went to home and things, we got some stuff. Now we're here at court trying to get our other stuff. So these are some of the stoves. Now for the, what them say? Whirlpool, month to sale deal, whatever. So we got this one. This is the one that we got. We got this one. But let me see the one that I really like. The one that I really like is this one. No, this one. There's the Indorama. This, I like that one here. I like that one here. And I like this. But you see, Adrian tell me say I can't like things if I can't afford it. So I can't afford it, so I don't like it no more. But just mosey on over to the one that I can afford, and I like that. Yes. So I can afford this, so I like this. See that? Him says so. Yeah, ladies, watch out for your
She put me
husbands.
wrong, you know, guys. She put me
Watch
wrong.
out
but-
for your husbands, okay? They're the ones that are telling y'all that you need to not to like stuff, okay? Because they don't want to buy it for you. They don't want to buy it for you, okay? And this is my ramping baby. I'm interested to do a ramp. I'm interested to do a ramp. I'm interested. Look on him. Look on him head. See him head put up? No, sir. Let me show you the TV them now.
You want to get up behind me, I do. Girl. If you ever know what this look on her face to like, crazy, right? Take it easy.
How do you manage with him? How do you manage him? How did it work out with this little
I have to,
boy?
I guess.
Oh my god. What did you see? I wonder. What are we having? Limited supply. So basically, guys, yesterday was kind of crazy because we went to multiple stores yesterday. And just in short, we got what we wanted at the right price. Sometimes that you have to do. Sometimes you have to put in the work, and that's what we did, alright? So I think we're getting one of these. One of these is what we'll be getting. I guess the Lord knew that we needed this, so he sent it our way, because I was nagging Adrian all week to carry me to this particular store where that I don't know where to go to. I don't know how to get to it in Spanish Town, but when he eventually did, on the day that he carried me, voila, they're having a big sale. Really, you know, big sale. Look at all them pictures. So if you came yesterday, there would have been like a big sale on a lot of these items. 20, 30, 10%. Them way there. I think it's something similar to this. You know, one that we got is something similar to this one. If another one there, other one there. I think other one there. I think it's this one. I think. I'm not too sure. But one of them there. But yeah, we've been store upping. We got 2 mattresses for the Airbnb as well. We don't have them yet. We're making slow and steady strides, and Carrie's making pure nice. But we're putting in the work, and we're hoping that we're gonna get really good results at the end of the day. We are really working for the end of November month end, because to be honest, we need to get it done now. Like, if we don't get it done now, we're gonna fall flat on our faces, okay? So we need to get this done, okay? Okay. So we got some, I think we got some reasonable accessories for the wall, okay? You can't decorate also the accessories on the wall. So we got some stuff for that yesterday. Oh, let me show you the plane that we got. So I got this for the Airbnb, but I'm thinking that it will be so cute for the boys. So I'm thinking about not putting it in the Airbnb and just giving the boys. We bought a plane like this. Right? And Carrie was playing with it all day yesterday. What do you think? Yes? Nah.
So
I don't know.
print it for a signing. You can't sign electronically. Beds. we're getting a carpenter to make our bed sets. So yeah.
We like the neighbor who doesn't throw a huge party.
But it's a lot of war, you know? Yeah. Wow. This is huge. Better big and bossy. Alright guys, you see the thing about them better now? They look nice, you know, but guess what? They're soft. That's our purview. So we rather make something out of natural wood we know, you know, can last. Whereas, like for our purpose, you know, we are do Airbnb and stuff like that, you know, we want things durable. We don't want to buy things 2, 3, 4, 5 times. But that set here good, you know. That set here good. This sturdy. And we actually did buy a set like this, you know, for one hour space them. And this is pretty sturdy, but so you have to be careful the type of set you now buy the material. These are like wood, you know? Yeah man, they are alright. We like this. Because this has served more than 2 years now, it'll go on good, you know? Watch Kyrie. Yeah guys, so we're back. Alright, so we didn't get a chance to pick up everything the last time we came, so we came here on the following day to pick up our TV, but of course we have to test it first, you know what I mean? Yeah man, very very excited. We're close now. We are within touching distance. You know? Yeah, so guys, if you're excited as much as we are, I want you to drop a like, alright? And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned. We have more exciting updates coming. We out.